What's good, you? It's your boy Prince, and today I'm trying the hottest cough drop. See right there? What's the name of it? Fisherman's Friend is what the name of it is. And where do you buy it at? You don't know. Alright, guys. So this is the hottest cough drop. It's hot to my dad, but yeah. Let's see my reaction. Do we have any water? This one. Alright.
Just leave it on there. Just let it be soaking.
That's hot.
Just take it.
I didn't brush my teeth too.
Suck on it.
Oh my god, I made it work. I can't do it. I can't do it. Hot. No, I can't do it.
We're gonna stir it out.
That's hot. Why is it that hot? Alright, that is it for today. Subscribe and hit the like button and comment what time I hold up the 3. Alright, comment what time. Alright, so yeah guys, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Peace.